Okay, guys. So there's something is right. Ah, no! Don't look at that. Don't look at that. That's nothing. I swear it's nothing. Anyways, so looks like they made a new update. Fan made update. Okay, let's check it out. Why you standing up? Now don't make me beat you up. I'm gonna clap you up. Alright, let me put my straps on before I get into the gameplay real quick. I like how our hands are just like huge, but then our arms are just like very small. Don't know why, but it is. Okay. Oh my god, I am lagging. What is that? I know I don't have airplane mode on. Travel mode. We're gonna turn it on and off this time. Where is it? Ooh, there we go. Now turn it off. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Where am I? I'm supposed to. There we go. Don't I always get that? Oh, you're lucky. Dude, what am I grabbing on? Okay, of course I lag. Bro, what the fungus? Almost downloaded it there. What the Sigma was that? Okay, I should never turn on and off travel mode. Oh, I gotta fit something. There we go. Play game. Can't wait to throw my doo-doo at people. Oh, what the? Hey, you can't do that.
Yes, I can. Whoa, says I can't.
Wow.
I bet. Now that's my ruler for town.
Oh, yeah, this kid's trying to challenge me. I'm gonna give him this 1-2 piece combo real quick. Oh, let me turn it down. It's a little too low. I'm gonna give this kid this 1-2 piece. Hit 10 monkeys to win. You bet that. Ah, dang it. You monkey. Where's this kid at? Oh, dang it. I fell. At least I got like one hit. Oh. Well, I'm gonna miss this jump. I knew it. This kid's trying to eat me out for no reason. I have honestly done nothing. I missed him! No!
You get
Got him. Not next time.
Land.
Get.
My special attack.
What the heck is that? Aha, I got him.
As I'm exploits, I'm just spamming my trigger.
Force Bro's gonna exploit the entire game.
I am never
Oh, dang it, I missed. Also died. Oh. Bro, not again. Not again. Get me in there. Get me in. Hey. Get out of here. Get your black monkey out of here. Get your black self out of here. Just kidding. We all love and care about everyone.
I'll leave you a couple of top videos.
What the? Sigma! Didn't even give me a chance.
Yeah. We're supposed to fix the predictable.
Yeah, I'ma still win though.
Like that. Yeah, shit on.
Oink. Oh. No. It's not fair.
Why no? What's that?
No. Leave me alone.
Shit on.
I'm not gonna watch this. That's all. I'm out.
Hey, where's bro? Corner.
Ah, I fell. I messed up. Ooh, got him.
Sit down, my boy. Owie. Owie.
I ain't got no beef with you, bro.
Eat. I said eat.
Hey, that kid is invisible. Kick him. Why do we keep on doing hit 10 monkeys?
Dead defeat. Why is bro spawn camping? Like, bro, I'm not. You didn't have to near me. You can't say I'm spawn once. Hey, bro, you really could hit me from there. If it was spawn camping, then why don't I have to shoot? You are, like, shut up. You shut up. Tell me shut up again. I can kick you from this. I don't care if I say it. I really don't. Down, kick your ass. No, no, if I wouldn't got me.
No. Okay, well, whatever. It's gonna spawn. Wow. Hey, he's camping!
How the fuck am I camping if you really spawn where I spawn? You can't see a spawn camp.
Okay, gotta make sure.
Yeah, if we been real though.
Get out of here, Blackie. I'm kind of scared though. Oh.
Yep, right behind you.
Finally see any blackies? I mean people. Monkeys. Oh. Oh.
Nope, you can't just pre-fire. This ain't.
Yes, I can.
Hello.
I can do whatever I want. It's America.
This is monkey tribal warfare, bro. Yeah, that had to kill him. Yeah, we did.
Why can't I do that? Why can't I spawn camp?
Felt that breeze. I felt that breeze.
Idiot.
Oh yeah.
I really I'm not bothering saying anything because I literally everybody does it. You can't stay spawn camping.
I can do whatever I want.
But everybody else can't. Crazy. Really? It's the point that nobody cares.
Ah, no, I just killed myself. No, I'm a spawn camp right here, and there's nothing you can do about it.
Oh, that really?
Really.
Where we going, huh?
Idiot, I got you too. Ooh, you lucky. I'm spawn camping right there. Right here. Come on, boy. There ain't nothing you can. Oh, what the? It's not fair. I wasn't ready. Oh, shoot. Oh, man. Oh, man.
I need to make it out these trenches. Not
Dang it. You got lucky. You got lucky.
Did not get lucky. Did not get lucky.
Ah, man. I'm losing a lot of lives here, buddy. Can I just get at least one more hit? Ah, you missed me, big black monkey.
Wise mystical archery moment. Boing. Boyaka. Oh my god. Thank you so much. It was so nice. No. Not done like that. And you did that. Okay, slam. He had to be dead.
I did not mean to do that! Haha, you missed.
Oh, frick. Leave me alone, sir.
Ah, dang it. This guy's off the charts, dude.
Yeah, I'm not picking your cows.
Hey, why are you trying to throw your poop at me, sir? I don't want your disgusting poop on me.
I drop flies in this. Not like, no, please.
No! No, he won again. Yo, can we not do this mode? I hate this mode. Can we just do, can we do survival? Wait, Mike, can we do survival? Different map, different map.
Can we do a splat? Wait, can we do splat match?
No, not that map, bro. Not this map. This map is dookie. This map is dookie, bro. We're not doing this map, bro. Come on.
I'm leaving, bro.
Leaving your get. Last monkey standing. Oh wait, never mind. This map is pretty good. Okay, yeah. Right. Ah. Bro, he's hitting me from afar. How was that even possible? Hey, no. Hey, no. No.
Got him. One tap.
Get him. Hey, don't touch that heart. Don't touch that heart.
You know what I could do? I could go. I could do that. If I want to.
Give me that.
Is that always a cheating? Yeah, that's right. Trigger hot. What should I do about it?
Hey, you can't do that. Stop.
Whoa, that's allowed. We don't care.
You can't do that. Those guns are permanently banned.
That's my first time using the turret, man. Bro, you can't just ban.
Right. It's not fair.
Ready up, bro. Start another match. I bet.
I'm the spamming god.
Yeah, so spell it instead.
Owie! You gotta do it in my eye. It's not fair. I won't take it anymore. Ew, no one likes young exploiting money. Forgot who that even is. I guess we're just gonna do something called a little bit of. Ow! Hey! Hey! Stop!
Stop using them. You said they were banned.
Oh! Ah! It's not fair! I don't want to be a ghost! Hey, how are you doing, buddy? I'm touching your gut, by the way. I don't think they can hear me. Get him! Show him who's boss. He keeps winning. I can't lick this slide, guys. I thought I'm the OG OP. Why? Leave me out of this.
Put me out there.
Are you lucky? Aw, dang it. I tried to get him. Aw, man. Hit 10 monkeys. I don't like hit 10 monkeys. This mod is trash.
No.
I'm going to the outside earlier.
Oh no.
Get down, boy! Ah, dang it! Oh, I went out the circle.
Yeah.
That's not fair! No! Stop hitting me! It's not fair!
I'm not funny.
Bro!
Where are you, man? No, one's coming out.
Idiot! Bro, he just can't stop being annoying. Got him. Is that fair? You're gonna make me into a ghost. Stop.
You guys keep killing each other.
No.
Nah, I'm getting you now, bro. You
Got him.
brave.
Bro's dead.
Bro, why would you come down just to hit me, bro? Owie, I got bitten.
Clipped.
Where? Got him.
Nah, bro, reach.
Bro.
No. Right foot.
I think I'm the chosen one. Never mind.
No, you ain't, bro.
Shut up.
The other useless one.
I'm not camping.
Yeah, I'm not camping either. I'm just stuck.
No, and you missed crazy.
I ain't missed when I die.
You missed the first time.
Got him.
Oh, hell no.
How did that hit me?
It's your space.
Oh, I'm right behind you. One more kill. Oh, I got him.
Really not gonna be the last kill.
How did you even know?
I know, cause I'm stupid. So stupid. So stupid. Oh, I'm so scared now. Don't let him kill you. Don't let him kill you.
Ah, man.
I knew he's a knife. I know he's a knife. Why did he kill you?
Oh, you. That was. Kill yourself. I'm leaving.
Ow. Oh.
You want to jump again?
Oh, go to survival. Survival was better.
Oi there.
You like going into high.
Hey, now go to mines. Go to mines. Go to mines.
That's fine.
Oh, I'm busy.
Ground mines. Go for it! Got another person. Oh shit!
Ow!
Come on.
Get out my way, noob.
Oh, monkey chill, monkey dude!
How do you wait? Can I see you?
Yes, you got your booty doll. My favorite item. Yes, my favorite item. Yo, I'm gone. Can I take a photo of you? So you said you want me to take a better photo of you.
Why freaking mine?
You said you want me to take a better photo. For a second. No, third time now. Third time. So happy. My
Wow.
item is your item first, then Mr. Tony's, then Bundy's.
Dang it.
Got it. Yes.
Wow.
Oh, you're invisible.
Who's invisible?
You.
No.
Can't see you. We're invisible.
Idiot. Ow. This is not fair.
Where is he running, boy?
I don't know.
This kid's just under the sky that Oh my god. My thing. Please. Oh my god.
Yo, don't keep it
You might say no, but I'm gonna turn it back on.
You're gay.
I'm gonna turn it back on.
Gay. That's
Yeah.
gay. Yeah, there's a dude that's invisible.
I'm not invisible.
It's you. You're literally invisible. I can't see
Then how are you hitting me?
because I can see your name tag. But you're like invisible. Oh.
Go back to mines.
No, my stuff falls. You're literally. I don't know how to fix it.
Hey, get out of there.
Yeah, you're literally invisible. I can see you. At least you can see me. Wait. I cannot see you.
No.
Bro, this is so unfair.
No, I barely got anything.
You're literally invisible.
Yeah, well, something happened to someone else too. The same thing happens to someone else. So I don't know what's going on here. No! Stop hitting me. It's not fair. Oh, man. Alright, guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. Like and subscribe, you know. Do your little thing. And I'm gonna be tuning into the next video. Bye.